date is? What month? September 26, 2019. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and skip it because I gave it too much time. Think that, right? Like you would like just.
I would probably do it in Britain.
I would think British.
Yeah, most people assume it would be British or any other country that also speaks English, because we speak English mostly over here, and then they speak English, and then we think, okay, well, if we have the same spoken language, then we probably have the same sign language. When in actuality, we are more related to French Sign Language, because one of the men that came over and helped start the first school for the deaf in America was a French deaf guy. So we'll talk more about that later. Okay, so today, again, by the end of the period, well, actually at the end of the period today, actually I haven't even changed it, it says something different. By the end of the period today, we're going to be able to answer questions not about your classmate, although you already know how to do that, and we'll review that some more another time, and it doesn't want to erase for me. Let's just mark through it. How about that? About places. Okay. So at the end of the period, you're going to be able to answer questions about places. Okay, places if you would like to go. And also today we're going to take a look for our ASL Lit workshop, or our watching workshop today, at one of our video discusses from a previous day from last week. And we're going to do something that is called volleyball reading. Alright, so volleyball reading, has anybody ever done volleyball reading like in an English class or?
Like popcorn reading?
Not popcorn, volleyball. It's with a partner. Okay, so you know when you play volleyball, the ball goes back and forth over a net between, it could be it's a whole team, but and if it was just two people, it would just go back and forth. So that's what volleyball reading is. You take turns reading a sentence, and then the other person reads the sentence, and then the other person reads the sentence until you get to the end. Okay, so it's not very long, but it's just one of our video discusses from another time. But before we can do that, the video is in an app called Edpuzzle, and it's an app that we're going to use. Forget about that timer. Okay, it's an app we're going to use more and for other activities and things, and so I need you guys to kind of get signed up in there. But here's the thing: you have to use Edpuzzle on your own device, so you have to actually download the app. Can everyone do that? If you can't do it,
report to Dr. Walker's office. Elizabeth Johnson, report to Dr. Walker's office in the
1, 2, 3,
AE building.
4. Everybody else can download the Edpuzzle app on your device.
I mean, I can when I get my
It
phone back.
depends on if I have enough storage.
Okay, so were you one of the 4 I just counted?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I get my phone back, I can do it.
Okay, cool. Alright, that's good. Alright, so I have 6 Chromebooks. So those of you who can't do that on your phone, you can grab a Chromebook real quick and let's get signed up, because we're going to use them. So grab a Chromebook if you need one, or get out your phone and download the Edpuzzle app. And I'm going to pull up the code you need to join the class. If you've ever had an Edpuzzle account, you can log into it. If you haven't, then you need to create an Edpuzzle account using really whatever you want to if you're on your own device. But if you think you ever need to use one of my devices, I suggest you just make an Edpuzzle account. Try to make it your name or something that you're going to remember, and then your password should be your lunch number twice.
Is it going to be an app on here?
Sure, as long as there's enough back there. It's not flipped there. Okay, so listen, the video is going to pause for you. It's going to pause after a sentence. That's what you're going to translate for your partner. So you're watching the video together. Okay, you're watching it, all of you together at once. So you need to get where you can all see the video. or your partner what was said. If you're not sure and you need to see it again, then hit rewatch. There's a little rewatch button. It probably looks like a little refresh button. Hit the rewatch button, watch it again, and then say it. Help each other out if you can't, the other person doesn't know and you know it. If you guys both don't know it, please ask me, okay? All right. Okay, then after that sentence, and you continue on to the next one, then you swap and the other person's going to read it, okay? You do that back and forth till you're done. It should only take us a few minutes. All right, go. Remember, whisper, because we're all talking at the same time, so whisper. Alright, looks like everybody's done. Alright, so next what we're going to do is I'm going to get you to draw a picture on a card. So we're going to make a card like we've done in the past. You're going to fold it in half like this, like hamburger style. On one side, really big with a marker. Just pick one. Write your name really big across the front. Then flip it over on the back, and I want you to draw a picture of a place that you want to go to. Okay, a place that you would love to go to. Like wherever, it could be a place you've been to before, or it can be a place that you want to go back again, or maybe it's a place you've never been. But you're going to draw a picture of a place that you want to go. Like if you didn't have to be here right now, and you wanted to just go anywhere in the world, where would you go? Okay? I want you to draw a picture of that place. Doesn't have to be super detailed, just a sketch of the place you want to go. And then at the bottom, just in small writing, not big like where your name was, but in small writing, just write the name of that place. It does need to be a specific place and not super general. It's a specific place. Okay? So yeah, if it's a beach, then that's fine. You can draw a beach. But then put like which beach, okay? All right, I'm giving you 5 minutes to do that. Come get a piece of paper, come get a marker.
I turned around, and when I turned around while I was sleeping, I had hit the wall and woke up, and I was like, damn it, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, oh, they're not minding my girlfriends. You didn't give her a place, so she's on my phone. You should never text me. Dude.